Now we're supposed to change the name of this PC from this what was generated by the computer to the name that we use for our VMware. So to do that, there's two ways to do it. First one is do server manager. Server manager. Go local. So we'll have to change this name right here. You change it right here. Now have to change for the second one too. So when I change the NFS connection for the client, the data will be removed. So we have to reconnect it back. Okay. So when we change, it's gonna put an answer to change. Change it right here. Okay, I see. Yeah. We change. Yeah, right here. And put this for the first one right here. And okay. You want this one too? Okay. So yes. Okay. So if there's two lines, it's going to shorten it. So yes. So it's the I is uppercase now. I need to shorten it because I need to put the let's see. So I want to make it restart. So let's see. Let's go. Make it restart. Let me put it up. So. I'll open this up. Or move. Easier. Just see the tech. Let's see. Now it's going to show to R22. Okay. Let's see. What if I just make it do clad instead? I'll do clad instead. Let's do clad. Alright. So I can let's do clad, I guess. So I can keep my 0 1. Alright. Let's see if it locks there. Okay, it locks there. Okay. The weather's on 7. Okay, alright. Alright. I'll do the start now. Starting. So we boot it and I'll restart again. So let's see now. Everything must change. Let it load up. See? So it changed. Voila. I'm using a new name. I'm going to use for I'm not update the NFS. So it's going to be a new name. NFS and try this. Let me write it down. Okay, so I need to change the other one. The second VMware. Let me change the name of this one. I'm gonna go different route this time. Change this one. This is a VMware 2. So right here. So the other way too. Sorry. Okay, come. Okay, so I can get right here. The settings to change the name of the settings. So I'm going to change the name of the PC. Go system and go about right here. Then we name this PC. So this is the second one. For this one, I'll put pitch and everything valid. Why? Is it called? Yeah, I remember that's per name. It's valuable. So you can use layer the icons can come with the icons. Okay. What do we want to check? Let's see what. So this is going to take from right here. Probably because this isn't like the underscore. Doesn't let me. There's a specific requirement over here. So let me go back to the server manager and do it that way. Okay, I'm going to change it from right here. Let's see if it's going to take my format. Okay. Let's see. So it's cool over here. It takes on this side. Okay. That's interesting. So the other one doesn't. The other way doesn't like. I guess the underscore refers to icons. But over here, I can do the one. So that's good. Okay. So let me restart it. Okay. And let's check to see the name change. And let's check NFS connection to the host, see if it's still there. I'm gonna check in both places here. I'm gonna check it right here. Also, it changed right here, so I'm gonna check it in the settings section. It should reflect on this here. Settings, systems, and about. Let's see. Right here. So it changed. Nice. Okay, good deal. Alright, so let's check out the NFS folder. See if the connection is still there. Yeah, so it's pretty smooth. Nothing's here. Right, nothing's here. So to mount. I'm about to mount this, the other one over here. So I didn't mount it. So change it in the client lost the connection for NFS, but the data is saved in the host. So you can see the photo system here. Right? So they just connection was lost in the second server, the client server. So to connect it, you go to a client. You're gonna get the names, the new name. Okay. Shares. So you see. And expand this here. Alright, so it's not connected, right? So let's connect the first one. So you click on it.
Yeah. They put me from another room. I do 223.
Property. So right click it.
Yeah.
Properties.
You want a 323.
So this is new path, right? New path I need to copy.
They changed me this
So I'm gonna mount this to the client. So to get the remote path, because I shouldn't change that. Go to file services, shares, on the right click first. Click on properties. And this is the remote path right here. And we'll do the second one. Make sure you see that. I'm gonna mount this back to the client side. Yeah, we're done. Just saying. I'm just going to go to the client side and do comment. Okay. So, yeah, put my notepad over here. I'll see right here, this popped up. See right here, this popped up. You show back up. That's nice. Okay. So then I'm the second one too. The second one. Another box too. But the force slash right here. Force slash. Okay. Yeah, this one's dash. See, it's still one of dash. How to do dash it. That's right. But that's the host phone number. So yeah, that's right. Um, I've used that Jackson before. Let's try it. Alright. There we go. So I have to use it there. There we go. Let's control that again. Test it. So then it's coming back. So I changed. So then the name of the PC was changed in the host. So we should disconnect the NFS. So we decline. And the data still saving the host. So all I have to do is connect it back. Connect the network back. Now it's in the back again. You know what I'm saying?